going on, y'all? Titus Jones here today. I'm with Canyon Clevenger. We are on the 400 Saxdor GTO, and it's a beautiful day out here on Crab Island. We're just gonna talk to you a little bit about the boat today. Sitting on the transom area of this beautiful 400 GTO, man, and this is what it's all about. As you can see, you got excellent field of view here. You have a big lily pad right here to lay out on. Beautiful atmosphere out here today. This is what you want, man. Twin 400s, V10s, man, that push this thing, it lifts it up and launches it like a missile. I'm gonna turn it to Canyon and he's gonna talk to you some more about the helm.
What's going on, guys? Canyon here from MarineMax. As you can see, I'm sitting here on the Saxdor 400 GTO here at the helm. One thing I really love about this boat is it's very comfortable to sit down and operate and even stand up. You have the flip-up bolsters here at the helm displays. We have twin Simrads, big screens. We have our Mercury SmartCraft. We are equipped with joystick piloting, bow thruster, awesome stereo. This thing has all the options, you name it, it's got it.
You guys, I'm on this 400 Saxdor. I'm standing on the swim platform that folds down. You got one of these on port and starboard, so you can be closer to the water. You can actually dive off of this thing. You can let your feet hang in the water. Whatever you want to do, this is a blast, y'all. Another good thing about the swim platform is that you're not anywhere close to the engine, so if you want to pull yourself up on the boat, you don't have to worry about any safety issues as far as climbing up on the back of the boat.
So we're here in the cockpit, very comfortable, lots of spacious room on this boat. They did a really good job using all the available space and seating. We got the seats that hang over the side with the terrace to the swim platforms here. They fold up. Behind Titus here, we currently have the glass door closed. It will electrically go up, open the whole boat up.
Up here at the very spacious bow of this 400 Saxdor, as you can see, is a plethora of space. You got some integrated grab rails here recessed into the gunnels. I mean, the perfect hanging out spot for you and the family. It has a table here that rises up. You guys can sit here and have some cocktails, enjoy the breeze. I mean, beautiful boat from bow to stern. How about that? If you want to see this boat, you can come see Canyon or I at MarineMax here, Fort Walton Beach, Florida.